Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today, we're going to do something that for me is a little weird. We're going to do an unboxing video. So this whole unboxing thing, right? I'm going to be honest with you. I'm pretty old. I'm 52. This does not make sense for me. I grew up in the generation where you played outside all day and you drank out of a garden hose. Okay? And now people want to stay inside and they want to watch videos of people opening shit. The upside is what we're about to open
Is badass.
Oh, it's epic. We've kind of had a peek at it. This is some artwork from our good friend, Reese Briotti, over at REB Graphics. We've got our heavily neglected Yamaha R7 project bike, right? That we're going to get ready to turn into a race bike for the upcoming season.
Yep.
So I can ride it.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to sell my Suzuki.
Gotcha.
So now that you're faster than me, you did have to ride a 750 to go faster than me. So
okay. Yeah.
now that you're officially faster than me at a racetrack, I need an excuse like I have a slower bike, so I'm going to build the R7. Nevertheless, unboxing. Can you make a drum roll or something, man? Okay, you're shaking the box. I'm going to cut my finger off.
Okay.
Well, Reese definitely has a lot of packing tape in his shop.
He does.
Yeah, because I mean, there's...
Did a good job.
Oh, he did an amazing job.
From a former warehouse worker, A+ for Reese.
How straight is this tape job? Is it straight?
Straight as you.
Okay. And that's pretty straight.
Pretty straight.
That's pretty straight. He's got a half roll of tape on this, man.
Man, he did a good job.
Yes, he did. Unbelievable.
Give him that.
Look at this pack job. Well, there's a couple of spare pieces.
Stickers, so. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready, man. Let's fucking go.
Ooh, it's all wrapped.
Oh, this is going to be a very serious unboxing video because Reese, he's got this thing just unbelievably protected.
This is professionalized, I'll give you
This
that.
is professional. Reese is the consummate professional. If you want your bike to look amazing, and you also want to spend a lot of time unboxing your bodywork, that this is going to be in perfect condition, like absolutely 100% perfect condition. Reese Briotti is your man. REB Graphics, baby. So there's the fender. Arguably the least exciting piece. Let's hope I can get this out of here. This is unbelievable.
Here's the most exciting
Oh
piece.
my God. So with this kit, look at this tail. Look at this. Unbelievable. The paintwork. Reese also sprayed this. So at REB, you're able to get full service if you want it, right? If you want to install your own kit, you can do that. If you want to send the bodywork to Reese, you can do that. If you want Reese to get a brand new set of bodywork, spray it, install the graphics, and ship it back, you can also do that.
By the way, if you're watching, I am struggling, so...
Well, I'm struggling. This is unbelievable.
Yeah.
We couldn't, if we had Reese working in our warehouse, we would lose money on every order because of the packing material and the time it took. The upside would be, this knife is super dull too. The upside would be, there would never be another broken windscreen again.
That's very true.
Ever. In the history of ever.
In the history of ever. I just don't want to break the bodywork, man.
No, you better not. This is my bike.
It's got my name on it, though.
Well, I can cover that up. I'm sure I can get Reese to like make another, just a little decal to go over your name.
instead of Brian Van, it should say the slower van.
That's messed up, dude.
No.
It's messed up. You know what?
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Oh, look at this, look at this. I'm clearly better at opening shit than you are, I'll say that.
I don't want to break this, dude. I got the most difficult.
This is epic right here, look at that.
That is Pimp Daddy Paddy Wagon.
Yeah,
I'll give you that.
that's sweet. I don't know what you just said, but... And man, Reese does a great install. That looks absolutely epic. The only thing you did wrong is put your name on it.
This is hard.
You ever gonna get that open?
I don't know.
So we're doing this like what? We got a couple days before Christmas now. What's more exciting, opening this Bodywork or opening your Christmas presents?
Try opening the Bodywork.
There you go.
This is
I'm
going to be
talking
the
about.
best looking Yamaha R7.
Priorities.
Definitely. This is difficult, Reese. I love you. You did a great job.
We did the
painting
best
this.
packing job ever in the history of packing.
This is like it's supposed to be shipped overseas to like.
You
Asia.
could ship this anywhere.
You could ship this literally anywhere.
Yeah, you could ship this anywhere. You could ship this by train in California, and when they saw the big boxes, they were robbing the train, which they do all the time now. There's a lot of videos of it. This is packed so good, they would give up on it and leave it, and you would recover your package and get your shipment.
Ooh.
Be careful.
Wow, Reese.
It took you like 10 minutes to open that. This is going to be the longest unboxing video in the history of unboxing videos.
I just don't want to break this, dude.
Well, you better not, because it's not yours. It's mine. Look at this paint. Zoom in on that. We got two new super sweet video cameras right now. Did you just almost chip my Bodywork?
Yeah, I almost did.
Look at that paint. Not only can the kid design a graphics kit, install a graphics kit, but he can paint the Bodywork, man.
Almost there, dude. I just don't want to break this.
Oh, look at this in here. Did he wet sand this? He better not have. That's insane. Did your daddy get it? Wow.
I'm careful with Bodywork, bro.
Wow. Man, look at that. I cannot wait to get this installed on a bike. Just one little minor thing he did wrong, but I guarantee he can print up a Brian to cover the max. I think that's going to be real easy for him to do.
Yeah. The slower van.
Well, you know
Hashtag
what?
in front of that.
You know what? Call
The
me.
bald van.
Yeah, call me in 35 years, dude. Call me in 35 years. Let's see what you're doing in 35 years.
I'll be faster, prettier, and cooler. So.
Those are all false statements. I thought there was somewhere in here. I thought there were some TDJU stickers hidden in here somewhere.
Supposed to be coming from somewhere. But Reese, I will say you killed it yet again.
Every time.
Every time. I may even like this better than my Ninja 400 Bodywork or graphics set.
Yeah,
so.
too bad you don't get to race this bike.
I know.
Because I'm making you race that Ninja one more time.
I know.
Because I already have all the stuff. I'm going to
Make
have
life
to
easier.
spend a bunch more money.
But your kid's got to lose some weight. That's the
What do
only
you weigh?
downside.
What are you weighing right now?
158 or 157. I got to be 145.
I don't think you're going to be able to get down that.
I was 142 last year. Do it again.
Yeah. A year older. Well, there you have it. I'm going to dig for the TDJU stickers later. The unboxing video that took forever because Reese overpacks. I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van. Reese, you killed it.
Killed it.